Go, Andrew. What is this, Andrew? What is this? Wow, what's the color of your fish? It's blue. Very good, Andrew. How about this one? What is this? What is this? Okay, these are the colors of your hand. Wow, it's yellow, blue, orange, red, and green picture. How about this one? What's this? This is your breakfast? Who cooks? Who cooks this one? Mom. Okay, do you like mama's cooking? How about your dad? Does he cook? Oh, you love cook fried chicken and you love cook eggs. Okay, how about this one? What's this one, Andrew? My mom. Wow, your mom is very beautiful. Wow, what's the color of your mom's hair? Wow, brown. Okay. Because the color is brown. Let's start. Let's start. Okay, yeah. What's this, Andrew? What's your favorite? Oh, this is your family. Where is daddy there? Where's your mom? Where's Andrew? Oh, there's Andrew. Hi, Granny. How is Granny? How about this one again, Andrew? Oh, you have teeth again. What did you color your teeth? Green. Okay. How about this one, Andrew? What's this? Well, okay, yeah. No, it's orange and it's black. How about this one? Next one. How about this one? It's Tao. Who is this Tao? Your dad. Okay. What does your dad do? He always gets fried chicken for Andy.